going on, guys? Just jumping back to, I'm in the future, jump to the past. Basically today is Saturday afternoon. Started this video on Friday, so the first part of this video is Friday when life was good. Life was very good on Friday. Today is Saturday, life is not good. Find out what happened halfway through the video. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new, whack that subscribe button. So today is the day I'm going to sort out the S5. It's booked in for an MOT in 4 days. The MOT expired, I don't know, 2 months ago. So we made it to the dealership, and when I say we made it to the dealership, I really do mean that, because the car had about 10 miles of fuel. So I thought, I'm going to go and grab some fuel, put some fresh fuel in it. The car hasn't been driven obviously for about 4 or 5 months, so I thought I'll drive it to the petrol station, put some fuel in it and take it to the dealership. The battery died on the forecourt. The jumper pack used all of the battery starting the car, so basically the jumper pack's dead. I'm on a petrol station forecourt, but luckily I carry jump leads in the back of the car, in any car, just as a precaution. Being in the car trade, I know that things got wrong. And yeah, I was a bit stranded, but luckily somebody I know was there washing their car, and we hooked up their Golf, jump started the car, so we're here. Stress. And then I didn't have the keys to the unit, so I had to go all the way over to the other side of Bournemouth to get the keys for the unit, to get the wrap and the knifeless tape. But we're here, so enough complaining, let's talk. So let's have a look at the car and what we're going to try and sort out this weekend. Bank holiday weekend, so I've got, you know, today's Saturday, so we've got Saturday, Sunday, Monday, 3 days. There's not huge amounts to do, but there's definitely areas that need to be rewrapped, tidied up, fixed. So let's have a look. So we got door handle. This door handle at the moment is not connected. That needs to be fixed. To wrap this bottom seal, I need to work out how to get these bottom seals off, because look at that, it looks absolutely shoddy. So I need to get those off, wrap them and then put them back on. There's a few areas here. So I've got the heat gun, that's just going to be heat them up, tuck them in. Just heat that and tuck it. So this side's not too bad, a few little areas, as I say. Little piece there, cut that off. A little bit here. The back is good, except for, I don't know if I hit the car or what, but I need to do something with that. I need to cut this out and heat that up. That's definitely got to be done. That's good there. Just to be tucked in a bit more there. A little bit here. So we've got a lot of tucking, a lot of heating. Same on this side. So we've got this lift in here. I'm hoping that I can heat gun that rather than have to take the door handle off again, but we'll see. And again here, these blades need to come off, so I can wrap the blade itself and then put it on the car. The front bumper needs to be replaced, as we already know. That's absolutely, it's broken on that corner. Might have to just tape it up for the MOT, but we'll see. So yeah, and I need to put the door card back on. So plenty to get done this weekend, all tidying up and getting the car looking good. The wheels I'm going to be doing next week. I'm going to be repainting the wheels black, and then I'm doing this like splatter pattern of purple, orange, maybe just purple and orange, just like splashed on, but that's quite cool. I need to do some reverse lights are not working. There's a few bulbs that the car is moaning about, tyre pressures. In terms of for the MOT on tyres, the back have plenty of tread, so they should be good, and they're Goodyear. The front, no, they're not too bad either. So tyres should be good. Brakes, there's no real lip on that yet, and the pads seem alright. So the MOT book today is the 4th. The 4th? I don't actually know the date. Give me 2 seconds. The 3rd. Today's the 3rd. The MOT is booked for the 7th, so we've got 4 days. So it's booked for Wednesday, I think. But yeah, so we've got get everything sorted, ready for the MOT. Looking good, looking smart, everything fixed. Door card back on. Just jump straight in and get this sorted. I get my door card back on. I've left these off because in one of the next videos I'm going to be wrapping them the same colour as the car to match the inside. I'm also looking into dyeing this red leather orange, which is going to be a mad one. Moment of truth. Right. That's the inside. Now to figure out what's wrong with this. Okay, so we got that door handle sorted. That was one of the, I don't know if that's a fail or not, but surely you have to be able to use a door handle to get out of the car. So that's done. So the next thing, before I put together that door lock again, there's this huge bubble here. I want to heat this up and see if I can get it out. Because if not, I need to rewrap that door. So yeah, let's start heating up areas, trimming them up and tidying everything up. There we have it. That's the first panel that is going to be redone. The wrap come off really easily, to be honest. Did get a little bit of paint peel. It's not good. But yes, so that's the first panel that's going to be redone. I'm not going to be doing that today. That's going to be tomorrow. So today I just want to tidy up all of the bits that I can, take off any bits that need to be rewrapped, and then tomorrow I'll come in fresh ready to wrap. So as I said, that's the first one. So now we're going to look at tucking the bits all around the car, and if any don't stick or can't go how I want, ripped off, redone. That is the end of day one. So we've got the door handle on the inside fit to do the outside handle, but obviously I need to wrap this quarter, that door, and the two bottom seals. Hopefully I've got enough wrap to do that. I've tidied up that bottom corner where it come out. I've done the parking sensors. So see how we get on tomorrow. Let's get this wrap done. Let's get the side seals wrapped, get back on, get the door handle on. Exciting news, I ordered the leather dye last night, so that's orange. Hopefully I can get George from I Like Detail. He's done a couple of courses on leather restoration and repair, so my guy can come and help me out with that one. So yeah, I think that'll look crazy with the purple and the orange interior instead of the red. So that definitely is now happening. I can confirm that. What's going on, guys? So if you've read the title of this video, you know that I've destroyed the paintwork on my S5. So the wrap, can't even talk right now, I'm so annoyed. So the wrap, I needed to re-wrap the rear quarter, and I had enough wrap to do that. I did it, I made a mistake, I burnt through the wrap. I've got enough wrap to, I don't have enough wrap to do the rest of it. I don't really want to order more wrap and spend more money on this car that I don't really have right now. So I'm going to strip it all back. Now the reason I've destroyed the paint is because all the paint's been ripped off. So now, when I take the rest of this wrap off, I'm scared to find what's underneath. But join me and we're going to see how much paint comes off this car, how much I've destroyed it. I'm a little bit annoyed, guys, because I wanted to wrap the car properly. I wanted it all nice and purple, but you know, my skills just are not, I'm not a wrapper. I've never done it before, and I'm not happy with the finish. Even on the bits where I have done, you can still see little bits. So I think I'm going to save up, get it done properly in the future. Let's build this wrap off.
Get you one more time. I really wanna cross the line. I do it all before I die. I wanna get it on tonight. I wanna get you one more time. I really wanna cross the line. I wanna get you one more time, one more time, one more time, one more time. I want it one more time. I really need to make it right. Energy I overdose, 'cause I'm ready to reload. I need it one more time, but baby then again twice. But I don't know if I'm ready to let go. I'm gonna have you one more time. I'm gonna hit it one more night with you, with you. I am committed 'cause I know it's you I want. Hope I never see you go home. Oh, come along. I'm gonna have you one more time. I'm gonna have you one more night. I wanna get you one more time. I really wanna cross the line. I do it all before I die. I wanna get it on tonight. I wanna get you one more time. I really wanna cross the line. I wanna get you one more time, one more time, one more time, one more time. Ooh.
Can I say? We're back black. I don't want it black. I think black is boring. I don't want this car to be boring. So, leave in the comments, what shall we do? Shall we get that repainted and just have it black? Shall we plastic dip it in any colour, whether that's like a matte black, whether it's go Nardo grey? Whack it in the comments. What do you think we should do? Because we have to do something, because look at this. It's lost lacquer, man. So it's ripped chunks of lacquer off the bonnet. So the front bumper is already destroyed anyway, so that's not really the end of the world. But yeah, we need to do something. So let me know in the comments what you guys think we should do. The car is now back black. The absolute mess here. So that's it for this video, guys. It started out with all good intentions, putting the door locks back on, wrapping a few bits, getting the car ready for summer. But actually, we've ended the day with the car looking worse than it did when it was wrapped. So, bad times. But, you know, it's an L. But what can we do to turn it into a W? So, basically, if we order some plastic dip, it's cheap, it's cheerful. We could do something with that. We've done it before on a Golf. If you go back through the videos, you'll see the Golf was dipped. But yeah, right now I'm not feeling it. So as always, guys, massive thank you if you got this far in the video. Hit the subscribe button. I'll see you guys in the next one. But I'm Devod.